Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody is doing good and staying safe out there. I'm filming this in the midst of America's COVID-19 pandemic, and I really hope that everyone is staying safe. I was sent these beautiful gel polishes from Yayoge. They are the Skin Nude colors, and they have collection 1 through 6. I'll just show them to you real quick. I'm wearing one. I have 3 coats on. There's 2 coats on my little swatch stick. And I'm gonna try to do something else. I wore one of these earlier. I think it was this color. Not really sure. As you can tell, they're semi-transparent colors. That's 2. This is 3. This one's a bit more peachy. I was tempted to put that one on. Then I was tempted to put this one on. This is number 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this is number 5. And this is number 6. And these are only 2 coats on the swatch sticks. 3 coats of number 1. This lovely color. And I always have Yayoge linked down below, as well as my discount code, which is nails 10% off, all caps. I'm gonna try to do holo tips. That's been a fad going around. People putting just the tips in and maybe doing a little fade up it. I'm gonna give it a go and see how I like doing this. Look at this holo. This is from iMethod Beauty. I will put a link below because they gave this to me on my birthday last year, and oh, I just fell in love with this holo. I haven't used it that much. You know what? I should try dipping my finger in there since I have such long nails. It doesn't really matter, apparently. I just see when I get the tips and then somehow fade it up a little bit. I have 2 different brushes out here to see what I wanted to do. It's not like, ooh, oh, that's so pretty. So I could just do the tip. If I had short nails, that's all I would need to do, really. But I have a lot longer nails right now. And I'm not sure right now if I'm going to keep on doing nail videos. I know I've decided for my own personal thing in my household that I'm not going to put like rhinestones on or other embellishments like that for a little while. Just so that it's easier to keep your hands clean. At least while it's really bad where I'm at. It's just a choice that I'm making for my family. People can't get alcohol for other reasons. You know, I just feel guilty using it if they need it somewhere else. Though family members are assuring me that it's in stock, just it's being sold so fast. I'm getting like crazy with it. So I don't know. Anybody have any thoughts on that? Because it does take alcohol when you're doing your nail art properly. I'm not going to stick it in there. I'm just going to put it on. And you know, if you make an error and you got to wipe it off, and you want to keep your fingernails from getting greenies, you need to make sure that it's very well cleansed first. I just don't know. These times are just like so uncertain right now. And I have people working in retail. I have people in my family working in trucking. They're all working like crazy during this time, trying to help everybody get their supplies here in America. I hope everybody's been able to get supplies that they need. I mean, pretty much it's like preparing for storm season, I guess, but you know, a lot of people have storm seasons where they live, and you know, you need food to get through your storm. They don't plan on closing any food locations down or pharmacies or anything like that. But if you're told to stay in your house because you come down with it, well then that's 2 weeks that you need. There are some wonderful agencies where I live that are delivering to people that are quarantined and didn't have a chance to stock up. So that's really nice, especially since we have a really high elderly population around here. It's always nice when you see the neighbors come together and when it's a crisis mode and helping each other out. That really just warms the heart, you know? It really just does. It warms my heart. I hope everybody's doing great out there. I hope nobody gets this awful sickness. I've heard so many different variations on what the symptoms feel like, all the way from the worst flu ever to they're barely sick. So I have no idea what to expect. I just hope for the best for everybody. I've seen the news that we've had a lot of deaths, but hopefully we'll get through this. We'll get through it. We'll get through it. This is just into the tacky layer of the gel polish. I've seen a couple nail techs doing this. I've seen my friend from Girly Nail 66 do it. And that morning I was just gonna go and film this because I wanted to try it too. It's just cool. I'm probably like taking like way too long to do this. But I'm not wanting to change up my nail polish, I don't think, for a little while, so I want to get it a little bit nicer. I want it. Get the spot. Cover this up. Brush off any excess hollow powders. Because remember, this is the kind that burnishes in. It's not just glitter. I'm using it more like a glitter, I guess you could say. I don't know. It's just a new fad going around. Even for shorty nails, they're just dipping the tips into the hollow powder. I just want to give these a top coat and see how they turned out. So I'm going to give these all a top coat, cure them up, and see how they turned out. Thank everyone for being here with me today. Stay tuned for the revealed pictures at the end. Have a great day, everyone. Stay safe out there. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.